welcome back to my channel, our Strong Funda. In today's video, we are going to solve some of the geometry questions, but these questions are having the difficulty level a bit more, higher than the difficulty level of others question. And believe me guys, these kind of question have came across in some of the competitive exam, for which we presume that the difficulty level would be very easy. And I'll just quickly take you through the question. Let's firstly see the question. Okay, now by seeing this question, was the first thing comes in your mind. So first thing is that if you're going to see this question, so the some of the students which recites the formula, believe me guys, in this kind of question none of the formula will work, definitely. This type of question requires your basics concept, your fundamental should be strong, and your visualization, and it demands your deep thinking as well. Okay, so just by seeing this question, if you read the very last line, find the area of the shaded region. So some of the question, student, what they will do, they will try to skip this question, and it's this kind of question demands a certain amount of time. But if I tell you the kind of scenario, if this kind of question would be repeated, I will say that in terms of difficulty level, you will find the same type of questions. In terms of difficulty, how many question can you skip? Ultimately you need to solve those questions, right? And believe me guys, these kind of difficulty questions have came across as one of the most popular competitive exam in SSC. And you can, I think this would be around 2018 or 19, in the tier 2 exam, these kind of difficulty level questions, and some of the students could not be able to cope up because they totally depend on the formula. Okay, that's the another thing. Okay, just let's not waste the time. What I want from your people, just try to make your base, the fundamentals strong, and that is my main objective. If your base is strong, you can be able to solve any kind of question. Okay, let's not waste the time. Let's quickly try to solve this question. What has been given? ABC is a right angle triangle at C. Okay, fine. This is a right angle triangle. This is a 90 degree. Once it is a 90 degree, so we will be having the right angle triangle. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Semicircles are drawn. Okay, so AC, BC, and AB is a diameter. Okay, this is the semicircle, this is the semicircle, and this whole third one is the semicircle. Okay, find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so this actually requires your deep thinking. Okay, so let's, okay, one more thing, what I request you guys, just quickly pause this video and try to utilize your brain, and do a lot of brainstorming what can be the solution. Because don't quickly go and write the solution, you will be get stuck after some time. Just quickly think what should be my approach so that I can be able to find the solution of this problem. This is my request to you. If you not be able to find out, so obviously we're going to find out the solution for this kind of problem, but it takes a time, and once you develop the deep thinking, then you can see there is a lot of improvement in your thinking level, and visualizing a particular question from another point of view that will not require a particular formula. Okay, let's not waste the time. Let's quickly go and solve this problem. We've been given this side, we need to find out the third side. I have told you earlier that in a right angle triangle we are following the triplet. Like say hypotenuse is 5, then other side are 5 or 3, hypotenuse is 13, then another side is 12 and 5. Similarly, if this is also in a triplet, 25, 7 and 24. Okay, and one more thing, for this triplet you can see 50, 14, and third one is that. If what can I do is that, let's say hypotenuse, base, and altitude. My hypotenuse is given 50, my base is given at 14, and I need to find out the altitude. Can I divide hypotenuse by 2? Similarly, I can divide hypotenuse by 2, that will become 7, and you can see 25, 7, and other side would be 24. Okay, sorry, this is 24. Okay, so if you don't believe me, this is the simple formula which we have learned. C square is equal to a square plus b square in a school, and if I multiply every side by 2, then it will become 4c square, 4a square, 4b square. Ultimately 4 will get cancelled. So this is what the basic concept I'm using. So 24 would be my side, and I need to just multiply, that will become 48. So my third side is 48. Okay, so this is the semicircle. This would be my radius 24. This is my radius 25 for the semicircle. This is my radius 7. I hope this is clear till now. Okay. Okay, so we have find out the third side. Let's quickly go and find out the solution. Okay, so let me draw a particular circle. Let's say this is my semicircle. This is my another circle. I need to find out this shaded area, correct? What if I'm having this area from this total area, total semicircle area? If I'm subtracting this area, I will get this shaded area, correct? Total minus remaining area, I will get the shaded area. This is my concept. Okay, now the problem is how to find out this area. Let's go one level down. Okay, so I'm having this one, this I'm having if I say I'm saying A, C, B, I can find out this area. Okay, let's say I'm having this area. Let's say I can say that this area of semicircle. I know that area of the triangle. Let's say triangle area. So this area, this total area minus triangle area, I will get this area. Fine. This is what we're going to do. So what I will do is that I will calculate the semicircle area and subtract the area of the triangle. Okay, this is my approaches. Okay, let's go to the another one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that firstly let's calculate this area. So this area, this is a semicircle, pi by 2, because this is semicircle, pi by 2 multiply by this semicircle, this is 25. So 25 the square, which is become 625 by 2 pi. Now I told you I'm having this area. If I'm going to subtract the triangle area, I will be left out this area. This is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to subtract, and what is my triangle area? Triangle area would be half into base is my 14, and hypotenuse I find out in the earlier slide is 48. So if I multiply by this will become 24. So this is 14 into 24. If my simple trick would be just take out 6 4 are 24. Okay, this will be very easy. 6 4 are 24, 6 7 8 into 4 is equal to 4 4 16, 4 8 32, 36. So 336 square unit is this area. I'm going to subtract this area. Okay, I just need your visualization, guys. So my left out area, this one is equal to this area. Now if I'm having this area, so from this total area I have find out this area. If I'm going to subtract, and similarly over here from this area, if I subtract this area which I have found out, I will be left out the shaded region for which I need to find out the area. Okay, now what can I do is that try to sum up this total area and then subtract this area. I will be get the remaining area. I hope now you are getting. What I am doing is that firstly I am going to take out this whole area, this one. Okay, and what would be the formula? Pi by 2 of what is the radius? It was 24, correct? Pi by 2 24 the square plus this radius is 7 square, correct? So what would be my area? Total area is pi by 2 576 plus 49 equivalent to pi by 2 625. Okay, so the total area of this and this is coming out like 625 pi by 2. Now I'm having, and I have just calculated this remaining area, this one. So I need to subtract this area. This subtract the area which I have calculated till now is that minus 625 pi, and minus will become plus 336. It will get cancelled out. So what is my shaded area? 336. Let's quickly see if we are having the answer. Yeah, 336 is the answer. Okay guys, so you have seen in this video that we using our visualization, deep thinking, brainstorming, we could be able to solve this question. And you have also seen is that none of the formula will be working because we cannot recite this kind of problem. And believe me guys, if you build your base strong, you could be able to solve any question in terms of geometry and in terms of area. So this is my main objective for this channel, and I request you guys, please like, subscribe my channel. I will come out with a lot of more good content. And thanks guys for watching my this video. I will come back soon with more important or more interesting video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.